Hey, everyone! If you're looking for fitness motivation that feels fun, positive, and easy to follow, you're in the right place. Today we're introducing a rising talent on social media, vavi.fit. She's built a large following by creating content that makes fitness feel approachable and enjoyable for everyone. Her videos focus on effective workouts, great energy, and real-life lifestyle tips without any pressure or negativity. Whether you're just starting out and feeling a bit shy at the gym, or you already enjoy working out and want extra inspiration, Vavi brings the kind of encouraging vibe that keeps you coming back. She combines fitness with light humor, daily routines, and confidence-building moments. If you're a young person seeking motivation, entertainment, and positive fitness examples, stay with me. This is going to be a great one. Let's get into it. Vavi's content focuses on making fitness fun and accessible. She creates videos that feel like advice from a supportive friend. Her routines include full-body workouts, targeted sessions like back day, and everyday tips that help you stay consistent. One popular series is her Shy Girl style workouts, short, effective sessions using dumbbells that you can do in a quiet corner of the gym. These are ideal for beginners who want to build strength without feeling overwhelmed. Her back day routines are well-planned and motivating. She demonstrates the movements clearly while playing uplifting music that makes the session more enjoyable. She also shares examples of comfortable and stylish gym wear that many viewers find helpful for outfit ideas. What stands out most about Vavi is her positive influence. She mixes workouts with fun moments, light challenges, and relatable everyday clips. You'll see her staying active one moment and sharing a smile or quick story the next. That natural energy comes through in everything she posts. She even has a background in theater, including a role in a live production of Hairspray, which adds a creative touch to her videos. Her overall lifestyle content is great inspiration for younger viewers. She shows how staying consistent with fitness can help you feel stronger and more confident while keeping things enjoyable. Many people comment that her videos help them start working out, try new routines, or simply feel better about their fitness journey. Vavi keeps her content straightforward, quick to watch, and uplifting. Whether it's a short motivational clip or a complete workout, every video encourages you to show up, move your body, and enjoy the process. She demonstrates that fitness is about progress, feeling good, and building healthy habits, not perfection. That positive approach is why so many people enjoy following her and why her community continues to grow. In summary, at vavi.fit on TikTok and at vavi.fit on Instagram offer a wonderful mix of fitness motivation, entertainment, and encouraging content. She is a talented young creator who stays consistent, brings good energy, and helps others feel motivated. Vavi shows that you can work toward your fitness goals while keeping your daily life balanced, enjoyable, and authentic. She's building a supportive space for young people who want to feel stronger, move with confidence, and have fun along the way. If you're searching for regular workout ideas, positive encouragement, or fresh gym inspiration, adding Vavi's content to your feed is a great choice. So go ahead and follow her today, TikTok at vavi.fit and Instagram at vavi.fit. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite workout style, or one thing that motivates you to stay active? Tag a friend who might enjoy this kind of positive fitness content. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more introductions to inspiring young creators, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Keep moving, stay consistent, and take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.